I just wanted to show you an easy way to make some roses. I just have this round brush with a very pointy edge, and I'm going to take my brush and put red on one side of my brush, there, and white on the other side. So I get red on one side and white on the other. And all I did was, I took my brush and with the red side down, I made a half a circle or a backward C, and then I made a forward C. See? That's the easiest way to make roses, because I know roses are really hard. But you want to make some roses on in your flower garden that you're making, or some kind of a flower painting. Just take your round brush, put red on one side, white on the other, and touch. Make a backward C, make a forward C. Make more red if it's not enough. Just take more red. Make a backward C, make a forward C. See how easy that is? You can make all the roses you want, and you don't have to take all day. You can even make little ones. Just little tiny ones. Just use the very tip of your brush, make a little tiny C, backward C, and a forward C. Little tiny roses. See, you can just do it really quick. When you get used to it, you make a nice bed of roses. All you need is your red paint. You can make different color roses, just little tiny ones, depending on how big you want them. Backward C and a forward C. Let's try a yellow one and see what that looks like. Use the same brush. You should be able to do this with a Filbert. Check out any of your brushes, maybe a chiseled edge brush, flat. So I'm putting yellow on one side of my brush, and I'm going to put white on the other side. So you can use any colors that you want. And then I'm going to put some yellow roses in here. It's a yellow rose right there. Nice, see that? Now, you can make them bigger or smaller. Touch, circle. There we go. So it's a backward C and a forward C. Alright. Pretty simple, isn't it? You make white roses, you make blue roses. I'm just making a bunch of little roses there, just so you can see them. Well, let's see. A little one here. Little one here, just little tiny ones, little white ones, little yellow ones. Backward C and forward C, backward C and forward C. Oh my, oh my, how cute are they? And right here I use some what did I use for that? Texture gel. I used texture gel for that. I'll show you how to do that later. I just want to show you a few quick roses there now. And texture gel for this one. And on the corners of the door, that's just another technique. And I just put some flowers here. So as you can see, it's very simple to make flowers. You could even just touch. You don't even have to make your backward C and forward C. You can just touch one color on one side. Like say if you wanted to have yellow on one side and red on the other. And then you just touch. Pretty little flower, see? Pretty little flower. So you can touch all kinds of flowers in there. Just touch. You even have them coming down. And you can have different colors. You can have green and yellow. Green and yellow. So if you had some green and some yellow, that's, you get those colors on there just by touch. Little flowers hanging down just by touching the very tip of your brush. See? Little touches. So you don't have to spend all day trying to make a rose or trying to make all kinds of things. So if you wanted to put some nice little leaves up here, all you need is green on one side of your brush and yellow on the other. You make some nice leaves. Just touch. Depends on how big you want your leaves. Touch. So, green and yellow. Just have the green ones hanging down. Nice leaves. Just make it very simple so that you can enjoy your paintings. You don't have to worry about trying to make have a hard time with your shapes. Over here. Some leaves hanging down. So you can try all kinds of brushes. Like I have a Filbert brush here, and I have an angular brush. And if you have an angular brush, you can use the heel and toe. See, the heel and toe. And if you put a bit of yellow on the heel and a bit of red on the toe, and then you just figure out where you want your flowers. I'm just putting them everywhere now because I want to just show you this. So you can just take your brush and touch, and you get another nice flower. And have them hanging down. You can put your toe this way or up and see what you're trying to get. See? You get a little red on the top and you get a little yellow. See? Pretty. So the Filbert brush we can put, I don't know, let's see, how about some white on one side of the brush and red on the other side. And there we go, that's better. And we'll just also just experiment. Let's go over here because I don't have much flowers over here, only small ones. Take your brush and just touch with the red side down. There we go, that's a nice little flower. And then you can even try standing it up and pushing down, see what kind of flowers you get. Pretty. So, you know, just use your brushes and get these nice little, see little pink roses I got there. That's just with the same little technique. You know. Just use different brushes. See? So that's that. You can add as many flowers as you want. You can even have them hanging down over your door. You know, have some hanging off your door there. Just touch. Touch. See, isn't that pretty? And then you can make some vines, just to give it a really pretty look. So you get a long liner brush. It's always nice to have these kind of brushes handy. I got some yellow, and I'm going to get some green. So I'll have green on one side of my brush. Even though it's round, I use two sides. And then you can make some nice little vines. So no, where can we start? Anywhere tall, I suppose. Let's see. Let's just take it, bring some vines. More yellow to get it to move. Trying to get down to the door so you can see it. So you guys go ahead and try that. Now I did a painting. I do have a blue door painting. I don't know if it's not exactly the same as this one, but you can take some of these ideas and add them to that video that I did. I'll leave the link below for you so you can check it out. And it's a door something like this, but I didn't use the textured paint to make that real textured look there. But I will, maybe I'll just do another video on that too. And then you can see all the different techniques that you can use. So, there we go. So I'm just adding different colors of white and yellow to my brush. And I'm using the very tip of my brush to pull down these little vines. See how pretty that makes it look? Isn't that cool? Oh, look at all my stuff. That's the mountains that I'm going to teach you. I have a video on 4 easy steps to painting a mountain. And really easy techniques. And I'm going to finish that painting also. I will be doing some work down here. I haven't decided what I want to do yet. But, you know, maybe it'll be up before next time you look at this video. Maybe it'll be up. But, yeah, so this is what I wanted to show you tonight. I wanted you to see this. Okay, so I'll let you go and subscribe and ring the bell. Get notified so so I can get all these other videos up for you. I got a ton of ideas that I want to come up with, and short videos, and a few long ones, and all kinds of tips and tricks. So this is Allison Prior signing out, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy painting, everybody. Bye.